Now your local on the 8s.
A high wind watch is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 43 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, partly cloudy early followed by cloudy skies overnight. Low 37. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Sunday, showers early becoming a steady rain later in the day. High 48. Winds south-southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Rainfall around 1/4 of an inch. And Sunday night, rain. Low 47. Chance of rain 80%. Rainfall around 1/2 an inch. Our 7-day outlook.